Welcome to BuildMyChecks. We help businesses replace paper checklists with digital inspections, photo evidence, and automatic audit trails, all in one place. How to create an account. Create your BuildMyChecks account and start your 7-day free trial. Click Get Started or Start Free Trial on the website to begin. Step 2. Create your login. Sign up using your email address and create a password. Step 3. Set up your company. Enter your company details. You can also upload a company logo, optional. Create groups to organize your team, for example by site, department, or location. Select the number of users required. You can change your user count and subscription at any time. Step 4. Complete setup. Click Start Free Trial to complete your setup. Your BuildMyChecks account is now ready. Welcome to BuildMyChecks. Subscribe to follow along with more how-to videos.